God is my Father, and his Son loves him. My home awaits me. I will hasten there. This is my holy instant of release. God has condemned me not, no more do I. Love, which created me, is what I am. Now will I see and find the peace of God. Father, I will but to remember you. Be in my mind, my Father, through the day. I give my life to God to guide today. Father, today I am your son again. God, in his mercy, wills that I be saved. I rule my mind, which I alone must rule. Now would I be as God created me. On my decision all salvation rests. The glory of my Father is my own. Fear is not justified in any form. This holy instant is salvation come. This day is God's. It is my gift to him. Today I will judge nothing that occurs. I am in danger nowhere in the world. Your peace is with me, Father. I am safe. To love my Father is to love his Son. Without forgiveness, I will still be blind. Whatever suffers is not part of me. Forgiveness ends all suffering and loss. Let me not see myself as limited. am in need of nothing but the truth. The Son of God is my identity. Myself is ruler of the universe. Let every voice but God's be still in me. This day I choose to spend in perfect peace. God is the only goal I have today. Let me remember what my purpose is. Let me remember that my goal is God. Let me remember that there is no sin. Let me remember God created me. God is my refuge and security. Let me perceive no differences today. My holy vision sees all things as pure. I am surrounded by the love of God. Creation's gentleness is all I see. My holy self abides in you, God's Son. My heart is beating in the peace of God. Let all things be exactly as they are. My sight goes forth to look upon Christ's face. I will not use the body's eyes today. Christ's is the vision I will use today. How can illusions satisfy God's Son? The stillness of the peace of God is mine. Today belongs to love. Let me not fear. God's healing voice protects all things today. The word of God is given me to speak.